Shock move, GOP drops millionaire tax hike in Trump's massive tax overhaul plan. In a move that's catching many by surprise, House Republicans have officially scrapped a proposed tax hike on millionaires from President Donald Trump's sweeping new legislative package, and dubbed by Trump as his big, beautiful bill. The nearly 400-page bill released Monday by the House Ways and Means Committee signals a serious push to permanently extend the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, TCJA, Trump's landmark tax law, while also packing in a host of new priorities from the former president. Key features of the bill include fresh tax deductions for tipped and overtime wages, temporary boosts to seniors' standard deductions, and a child tax credit increase from $2,000 to $2,500. There's also added relief for small business owners filing under individual income tax brackets. Conspicuously missing is a tax bracket hike for those earning $2.5 million or more. That idea, floated last week, would have restored the top income tax rate to 39.6%, the level before the TCJA brought it down to 37%. Conservative powerhouses like Americans for Prosperity and the Heritage Foundation slammed the proposal, and top Republicans, including Newt Gingrich and Mike Pence, also pushed back. Multiple GOP lawmakers told Fox News Digital they wouldn't support any new taxes on the wealthy. Sources close to the talks confirmed the millionaire tax hike was off the table as the bill heads into committee markup. Instead, Republicans found alternative ways to trim costs, removing tax-exempt status from groups labeled as terrorist-supporting organizations, deploying AI tools to crack down on Medicare overpayments, limiting tax breaks for pro sports team owners by reducing amortization perks, targeting Ivy League schools with massive endowments, raising their investment excise tax from 1.4% to potentially 21%. Trump also asked Congress to raise the debt ceiling by $4 trillion, a demand included in the bill to avoid a national credit default expected this summer. Meanwhile, House Republicans are pledging $1.5 to $2 trillion in cost savings to counterbalance the tax breaks and keep the nation's debt, now over $36 trillion, from ballooning further. Also tucked into the legislation is a modest concession for Republicans from high-tax blue states, a proposed raise in the SALT deduction cap from $10,000 to $30,000. That figure drops for incomes over $400,000 and returns to $10,000 at the $500,000 mark, while some GOP moderates from states like New York and California want a higher SALT cap, at least one. Representative Nicole Maliotakis, RNY, said she'd accept the current offer. This bill is part of Trump's larger push to pass his full agenda through the budget reconciliation process, which allows Republicans to bypass a Senate filibuster and pass laws with a simple majority as long as they involve taxes, debt, or spending.